Hi, in today's video, I'm going to tell you how teachers can use Google Drawing as a collaborative learning techniques tools in their classrooms. Collaborative learning techniques are those in which teachers usually create environments in which students can produce their own ideas, and then they share it with their whole class, and then in the end they come up on a certain conclusion. So of many collaborative technique, post-it is one of the collaborative technique that is commonly used in the classroom, where in physical classrooms sticky notes are used. In Google Drawing, we can also create post-it notes to understand a topic collaboratively. And this technique is also useful in online classroom environments where students are geographically dispersed, and of course collaboration and class engagement is equally necessary in online classroom as well. So first of all, we get Google Drawing, and in order to open a Google Drawing, we have to use this option of Google Drive. From Google Drive, we click on new option and then more, and then we get Google Drawing. So when we open it or double click it, we get this type of interface, and you can also change the name of this document or this Google Drawing from here. And now this is the interface. Now first of all, you can resize it, according to your own need. Page setup. So for this, click on file, page setup. You get different ratios: 4:3, 16:9, 16:10, and you can also set custom ratios as well. So let's say I want to use for this page setup, and I want to use 16:10, a widescreen. So you can change the background of this interface. For example, from right click background, you can get different backgrounds, different colors in this way. And there is another option. You can also insert any particular image and any other particular background shape or else. So these are the different options. From file, these are the options. Edit, these options. You zoom, insert, image. From image, if you click, you can get multiple options: upload from computer, search the web, drive, photos, by URL, camera. And if we click on search the web, for example, I search cork, and we can get different backgrounds. For example, I want to use this. I will click on it, insert, and here we go. You can also use this one, but it's up to you. Whichever color do you like, whichever background do you like, you can use. Okay, so now we have to insert sticky notes type. So from insert, we get the option of shapes. From shapes, shape, and then shapes, and then we have to click on this shape, folded corner. Okay, so draw it according to your own size, and then you can copy paste it, and then you can drag and drop into your desired positions. In different positions, you can drag and drop. And then you can also change the color of each sticky note. From click on this, you can get this one, and let's say blue, pink, yellow, and any other color. Okay, if it looks same, you may change it. Okay, so these are the different types of colors, and you can get a sticky note. And now how to add text into it: double click it or right click text. So here you can write any topic, like any factors affecting anxiety. So environment, for example, there is another factor of health conditions, or any other topics, any other factor. Medications effect, and poor lifestyle, and of course family background. So in this way you can ask a different student, you can assign a particular sticky note to each student, and you can ask them to give their input in each sticky note. You can have multiple ones, and according to the size of the page you can add different sticky notes. So this is one of the way, because Google Drawing or Google products is actually offer you the benefit of collaboration. So one document can be edited multiple persons. So this is the beauty of this Google products. So each student from their device can edit he or she can edit each sticky notes. So for a particular topic, let me give you an example that I have created before this video, this one. So I have created a topic, let's say the causes of job burnout. Sorry, it's not only the causes, effects and solutions. So sorry for it. So you can reduce the text size to give it more clear look, this one. So the topic is causes, effects and solutions of job burnout among employees. Job burnout is basically work-related stress condition among employees, and that is common, especially among doctors, among any pilots, among any other engineers who especially they experience long working hours. So we have divided into 3 sections because topic is about causes, effects and solutions. So in left side we have causes, then effects and then solutions. So we have asked students to contribute into each factor. For example, in causes, one of the students, Sarah, she submitted lack of work-life balance. This is one of the major causes of job burnout. Second student, Amna, she wrote poor work culture. Third cause mentioned by Aliza is long working hours. And the fourth cause mentioned by Ahmed is no appreciation or reward at work especially. And then if you move to the effects, same, you can see different students contributed or produced different ideas. Effects, one of the effect is poor health issues, poor mental issues, job dissatisfaction, intention to leave. So these are the common effects of job burnout. And then solutions means students, they came up with different solutions and then wrote it down. For example, evaluate your options, job options. What are the options, possible options? And seek support from family, from boss, from colleagues, from co-workers, and engage yourself into physical activity because it regulates hormones, especially the working activity. It reduces stress. And then the most important one is reorganize your job and desk. So just review your job tasks and prioritize it in a different way, make a timetable or schedule or something else. So this is the topic. You can involve different students to come up with different ideas. So they produce their own ideas, they share it with the whole class, and this is one of the collaborative learning technique. And in this way you can take help of technology, especially Google Drawing, to create a collaborative learning environment in class, not only physical class but also in the online class. So this is one of the most important solution